silence speaks, whispers of ages, ancient peace. Nature's embrace, the spirit flows, connections to worlds that nobody knows. Lost in the echoes of time, we find a higher path, a peace of mind. Feel the spirit, let it rise. In the stillness, hear the cries. Elevate from earth to sky. In the whispers, we amplify. Underneath the expansive sky, rays of wisdom, they fly high, healing hearts with every breath, finding light and solitude, no death. Through the darkness, the light will guide. In every heart, the truth resides. Feel the spirit, let it rise. In the stillness, hear the cries. Elevate from earth to sky. In the whispers, we amplify. Turn into the light within. Embrace journey, let it begin. In the ruins where the shadows live, echoes of a time we can't forgive. A stream whispers secrets ancient and wise, guiding our spirits beneath the vast skies. Nature's hymn, a soft embrace, heartbeats dance in this sacred space. Lift your eyes to the heavens above, feel the pulse of the earth, the signs of love, 'cause love. And in the ruins, our souls intertwine, awakening echoes of the divine. The stones tell stories of journeys made. In solitude, the past won't fade. With every breeze, the spirits blend. In the quiet, we begin to mend. was a love. The year and the ruins, our souls intertwined, awakening echoes of the divine. In this moment, all is clear. Together we rise, casting aside fear. In the silence, whispers call a gentle breeze. Through ruins, time stands still, a heart at ease. Echoes of the past, where shadows softly dwell. Beneath the vast sky, there's magic in the swell. Ancient stones, stories untold, spiritual journeys unfold. Step into the light, embrace the sacred flow. In the whispered calm, let your spirit grow. Together with the stars, let our hearts align. In the dance of the divine, our souls will shine. Nature's heartbeat sings, the earth a sacred ground. With every step I take, I feel the love around. In these hallowed spaces, spirits seem to rise, searching for the light beneath these timeless skies. In the stillness, souls ignite, of the past collide through the arches where the spirits used to hide. Whispers of wisdom in the air so divine, guiding lost souls back to the light, no more blind. Feel the energy, let it flow inside. Hearts are lifted on the sacred ride. Breathe in the essence, let your spirit awake. In every corner, feel the love we make. Transcend the shadows, embrace the glow. In the heart of the ruins, let your spirit flow. Fragments of prayers linger on the stone. Each beam of sunlight makes these ruins feel like home. Ancient stories woven in a tapestry of time, and an invitation to seek what's truly sublime. Rise like the dawn, let your spirit soar. In the ruins of the past, there's always more. Breathe in the essence, let your spirit awake. In every corner, feel the love we make. Transcend the shadows, embrace the glow. In the heart of the ruins, let your spirit